So here's Google Earth showing some high alpine terrain. Here's Roberto's over here. So we're going to go to our Google form, similar to our route log form, to enter a date. Let's say, talking about 24th, let's say you're the route leader and you do AE on lower Roberto's. You hit submit. And then this program is going to be running every few minutes in the background on one of our computers. Accesses that form and does a bunch of stuff. Creates a file. That file is read and automatically updated on Google Earth every few minutes or whatever we want. You can see I've had some data in here before already, but we just entered the 24th. So you can see you did AE on Roberto's lower. If we look at just that day, you see it's just lower Roberto's. If we look at this other day that maybe I did some AE, you can see that day. Look at individual spots.